I find that this placement kind of leads you to what you want to be obviously when you're older and guides you a lot. Obviously I do the dancing, which I love because I did dancing before, the entertaining, work with children, which I love working with children, and it's just a nice environment to be in. It would mean a lot to me if I won because my family would be proud, and obviously my mum is related to the story as well, so she would be glad. No, I would be really happy, overwhelmed actually.
After I left school, I didn't really want to go back to sixth form, and I thought a traineeship programme would help towards a job as well as learning. Yeah, I'm enjoying working here. It's fun. I'm meeting new people. I'm seeing other new places as well when I'm out on the van doing deliveries. So it feels nice giving people what they want, which is a good night's sleep. Someone would be great because I don't know really. It should be great to win because it shows much you believed in me, and well, Dennis did because he gave me a job at the end. So it'd mean a lot if I won.
Jobs Go for Wales appeared for me because it was opportunities for a job and start a career. I enjoy coming to work, I like my work, and all the boys in work have a laugh. Graham's an excellent boss. He gave me an opportunity for a job and he looks after me. Fantastic boss to work for.